And you're not nearly as cool as you think you are.
When are you coming out?
We gotta run like we've never run. No, we're gonna lose the light if we don't get to a higher place and find somebody who can help.
Amber, stop trying to get attention by doing stuff on film.
Like the Jay and Silent Bob.
A little bit, yeah.
You had longer hair and a trick to it. You get Michael fake hair.